Hey, what's going on, everyone? Should you risk it all on Litecoin right now? By meaning risk it all, I'm simply saying, could this cryptocurrency see a movement in higher prices? We're going to talk about that looking at this price chart. But first, take a look at the chart. You guys can see that we did a price prediction in Litecoin back here on April the 2nd, April the 1st, looking for the price action to move down in Litecoin, and that's exactly what it did. So congratulations to those who caught that particular move. 21.08% was seen on April the 13th, so maybe about 13 days or so is when the market came to our ultimate TP price. If I were to extend it all the way to the low on July the 4th, that 24% could have turned it to 42.32. All right, so let's get rid of that. Next thing we're going to get rid of are these buy zones here because the market did not hold these zones. So we could get rid of that. And now we're going to create the level to which the market did hold the buy zone. So yeah, we're going to take it over here. Okay, so we're going to make this a buy zone. Okay, now we got the buy zone shown. Next thing is, you guessed it, looking for the sell zone. So this is the sell zone right here. Okay. This could be a sell zone right here, but it's too close to me. It's too close to this other sell zone. So we're going to take it and move it over here. Okay, so now we got the field laid out. We know where the buyers are. We know where the sellers are. Over the last couple of days, you guys can see that Litecoin has been consolidating slightly below this first sell zone. That's a good thing, because if the market truly was weak at this $76, $75 area of selling, then the market would have immediately came up to this price and fell back down. But you can tell that that didn't happen. So obviously there's something going on here. And there's only two things that you could ever do in the market. Either you're going to be a buyer or you're going to be a seller, and vice versa. You got to do both in order to close out a transaction. So if these people are grouping together and they're not letting the market fall lower, then apparently they are accumulating. They're looking for the market to continue to go higher. And then on our proprietary software, you guys can see that we're getting all these buy signals right around the same area. So now, here it is. Take a look at Litecoin on the 2-day chart. 13 hours, 22 minutes left. And we're still seeing that the market wants to aim to higher prices. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Litecoin on the 4-day chart. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Litecoin on the weekly. 2 weeks, 3. Here it is on the 7 real quick. I want to look at this on the 11-hour chart. So let's pull that down. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so on the 11-hour chart, this is a buy zone right there. So that's pretty good to see too. So I'm already done in my analysis that I am expecting the market in Litecoin to continue to trend to the upside. That's going to be the expectation, because it looks like whenever price in Litecoin dips, it gets bought up. People comes in and begins to open up their wallets and buys this cryptocurrency. So now, where do we think it's going to go? Well, let's go ahead and do this price prediction then. Okay, so I think you guys already know the first area. In or around this first sell zone. It could be at the low, it could be at the high. I'm going to aim for the high though. That's 4.44% there, like $76.50, $77. My second target is going to be at this other zone that I mentioned earlier, but it was too close for me to keep. That's going to be my second target. That's 9.37%. And then my third target is going to be up here at this second sell zone, either at the low or the high. At the high, that would be 16.55%. Okay, that's it. You appreciate it? You want to learn more? then hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.